Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Microsoft Azure Foundry platform. It's an AI platform similar to ChatGPT, Claude and Cursor, and it allows you to build chat and code applications directly in the VS Code, also in the cloud editor as well. So it has all the premium models as well. So now to get started, simply type ai.azure.com and simply click on sign in, and just sign in with your Microsoft account here. If you do have the Microsoft account, simply say ai.azure.com. So this is their web page here. If you see, you give the phone number. I already have one account here. So you basically enter the password right here. So once you log in, if you forgot your password, you can simply recover. So I basically given my code here. Let me just enter this code. So it's a great tool. I personally tried this tool here, so I can simply say to verify that it's complete the hidden part. So yeah, so this is, I know this shell. So here you can see this is there. So just enter this code. So just wait. Let me just. So once you do this, now you sign in. So this also provides you with this extension right here, as you can see. So now it is enabled right here. If you see, it will appear right here, Azure AI Foundry. This is the extension, and it will simply say create an Azure account, sign in to your, click on allow. You can also sign in with your GitHub account as well. If the Microsoft account is not working, you simply enter the email address and the password. So just wait for the verification to complete. So after that, now you will be logged in to this. You need to select the subscriptions. You will have two options here, deploy or install. So this is the website aiazure.com, and simply log in here and then you can simply get started. So now you'll be redirected to the dashboard right here. So the dashboard looks something like this. So here you can create a subscription right here, create a project, deploy this model to GPT, and then explore the playground. So here you have this option of creating an agent. So you will say create a new subscription, and here you just need to sign up. So as you can see right here, it is here you need to create your account to continue with Azure AI Foundry. So just create a full account and then you will be able to use this very easily. So you do need to provide some information. So just I wanted to show you that this extension exists for coding and development, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.